Boys and girls, today we're going to be learning about the y-intercept of a line, which is the y-coordinate of a point of the line. So, if you look at this graph right here, our graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 1. So my y-intercept is 1, the point in which our graph crosses the y-axis. All right, so in New York, there is an initial fee for a daytime taxi that charges the initial fee plus a charge per mile traveled. So let's look at the graph. We gotta see where the graph crosses the y-axis. The graph crosses our y-axis at 0 and 2.5, 0, in between 2 and 3. So the y-intercept is 2.5. It's the point in which our graph crosses the y-axis. What distance was this traveled? Well, our distance at this point is 0 miles. And this represents our initial fee because it's the point in which we are at 0 distance traveled, so it would have to be our start amount, or in this case, an initial fee. So the y-intercept is our start amount, or an initial fee, or something that is being added on. It does not depend on our rate of change, our slope. All right, pause the video and allow students to copy this down. All right, next example. We're going to be taking the information that we learned above to help us write an equation in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form of a graph is in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m equals our slope, which is rise over run, and our b is our y-intercept that we learned up above. So we are going to be replacing m with our slope and replacing b with our y-intercept. So first, we need to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept of this graph is at 0, 4. So my y-intercept, or b, is 4. The slope of our line, we're going to do our rise over run. We rose 4. In this case, I ran 10, 20, which reduces to 1/5, like they have there. Remember, you can do any rise over run. I could have gone up 2 over 10. All right, so my slope is 1/5. My y-intercept is 4, so we replace m with 1/5, replace b with 4. All right, pause the video and allow the students to continue copying. All right, try it. So let's try this one out. We're trying to write an equation of the line in the form of y equals mx plus b. So our b is right here. It's our y-intercept. The b value represents our amount for 0 hours. So our cost at 0 hours, so our start cost or initial fee. So our initial fee is $50. So B equals 50. Our M, we're going to do rise over run. So I'm rising 50. And I'm running 2. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. So M equals 25. So the M represents our rate of change. It's the amount per hour. Okay, so now we're going to write our equation. Our equation is going to be y equals m 25 x plus b, which is our 50. And this is our equation of the line. Please pause the video and allow students to copy. Once they have finished copying, have them do the your turn.